Good morning. Ipapakita natin kung paano tayo magkaroon ng EtherDrops tracking bot dito sa ating Telegram, and matitrace po natin yung mga kita natin or yung earnings natin dito sa Matic Fortune. So ito po yung Matic Fortune natin. Yung lahat ng mga earnings na papasok dito ay i-alert ng EtherDrops bot sa inyong Telegram. So first of all, kukunin po na natin yung wallet address na ginagamit nyo. So example, ito Matic. Kunin muna natin, receive. Okay. And then punta tayo ng Telegram. So i-type natin dito sa search, here on the upper right, type EtherDrops. EtherDrops tracking bot. So this one, yan. What can this bot do? So just click start, and then click add, click wallet, okay, and read the instruction. So ipipaste po natin dito yung wallet address. Let's paste it and click send. Choose networks to add and press done. So you can use all of these networks, or you can have the option to use only one or two networks. So because we are using Polygon, we will deselect all networks and then click Polygon. Yan. Okay, so let's click done. Enter wallet name. Ilalagay po natin ang gusto nating magiging wallet name. Example, yung wallet name na gusto mo rito is Superstar. Superstar. Yan. There it is. Whenever na meron kang earnings on your Matic Fortune, your EtherDrops tracking bot will always alert you na meron po kayong kita. So kaya ang mangyayari, magkakaroon po kayo ng ganito. Yan. So ganun lang po kasimple. It's very easy, and if you want to edit your bot, edit po ninyo. So punta ka lang ito, i-click mo lang itong main menu. Ito yung color blue, call main menu, and then you can edit here. You can edit. Yan. Choose what to edit. Example, wallet. You want to edit your wallet. Okay. So you can click here, edit W_0. Just click that, and you can rename your bot. So you can click rename, and you can put new name there. Ganun lang po kasimple. So guys, it's very easy to install your EtherDrops tracking bot. Gawin nyo na po para mag-enjoy kayo rito sa Matic Fortune.